When it comes to traveling smarter and saving money, Lunar has quickly become one of the most efficient tools for modern travelers. Lunar is not just a banking app, it combines financial management with convenience, making it ideal for managing expenses while exploring the world. The first step to using Lunar effectively for travel is setting up your account properly. Connect your cards, enable international payments, and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Lunar allows you to hold multiple currencies at once, which is perfect for trips to Europe, Asia, or anywhere else where exchange rates can significantly impact your budget. One of the standout features is real-time currency conversion. Instead of paying high fees at local exchange offices or airports, Lunar automatically converts your money at competitive rates, often saving you several dollars per transaction. You can also track your spending per country, categorize expenses, and set travel budgets, ensuring you never overspend. Notifications for every transaction keep you fully aware of your spending habits. Another major advantage is Lunar's fee-free international payments. Using your Lunar card abroad avoids the usual 3 to 5% foreign transaction fees charged by traditional banks. Whether you are paying for a hotel in Paris, dining in Bangkok, or booking an Uber in New York, Lunar ensures you get the most value out of every dollar. Travelers can also use Lunar to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide with minimal fees. It provides a secure alternative to carrying large amounts of cash, while still giving easy access to funds. Additionally, Lunar integrates with budgeting and expense tracking tools, so you can reconcile your trip expenses in real time. By leveraging these features, Lunar transforms the way you handle money on the road. It keeps spending transparent, reduces unnecessary costs, and gives you the freedom to enjoy your travels without worrying about hidden fees or poor exchange rates. With Lunar, travel planning and money management become seamless, practical, and cost-effective.